Hello, welcome to the Health Channel in the Kitchen, your favorite recipe channel. Today we will teach the recipe of vegetable soup with shredded chicken, a tasty and healthy recipe for a nutritious breakfast, which if consumed daily can bring several benefits to your health, including helping you to lose weight quickly. Before we start with the video, I would like you to subscribe to our channel, leave your like and comment on any questions or suggestions for new recipes that you would like to see. We have an ebook with more than 30 amazing recipes made by nutritionists, our healthy recipes of tasty. If you want to know more, click on the first link of the description. Of course, I'll detail the vegetable soup recipe with shredded chicken for you. Shredded chicken vegetable soup is a healthy and nutritious option that offers several health benefits. Check out some of them. Source of nutrients. The soup is rich in essential nutrients such as vitamins, minerals and antioxidants, which help strengthen the immune system, maintain bone health and prevent diseases. Low in fat. Vegetable soup with shredded chicken is a low-fat option, which is beneficial for cardiovascular health and helps control weight. Protein source. Shredded chicken is a good source of lean protein, which helps maintain muscle mass and promote the feeling of satiety. Rich in fiber. The vegetables present in the soup are high in fiber, which helps to improve digestion and promote the feeling of satiety. Helps maintain hydration. Soup is a good source of liquids, which helps keep the body hydrated and contributes to the proper functioning of the body. It can help control blood pressure. Some of the vegetables present in the soup, such as carrots and celery, are rich in potassium, a mineral that helps control blood pressure. In summary, vegetable soup with shredded chicken is a healthy and nutritious option that can contribute to maintaining health and body weight. In addition, it is a comforting and tasty meal that can be consumed on colder days or as a light option for dinner. Without too long, let's go to the ingredients. Which they are: 2 tablespoons olive oil, 1 medium onion chopped, 2 cloves of garlic, chopped, 2 medium carrots cut into small cubes, 2 celery splints chopped, 1 small zucchini cut into small cubes, 1 medium potato cut into small cubes, 1 liter of homemade chicken stock or water, 1 chicken breast cooked and shredded, salt and black pepper to taste, chopped parsley to taste. Now let's go to staging mode. In a large saucepan, heat the olive oil over medium heat. Add the onion and garlic and sauté for about 2 minutes, until the onion is soft and translucent. Add the carrot, celery, zucchini and potato to the pan. Stir well and sauté for about 5 minutes, until the vegetables begin to become soft. Add the chicken stock or water to the pan and stir well. Let the soup cook over medium heat for about 20 to 25 minutes, until the vegetables are tender. Add the shredded chicken to the pan and stir well. Let the soup cook for another 5 minutes. Season the soup with salt and black pepper to taste and stir well. Serve the hot soup, sprinkled with chopped parsley. And you're ready for your tasty vegetable soup with shredded chicken. This is a healthy and comforting option for colder days or for those looking for a lighter and more nutritious meal. And you're ready for your delicious wholemeal bread sandwich with avocado, white cheese, and tomato. This sandwich is a healthy and tasty option for your snack or breakfast. If you liked the video, leave your comment, subscribe to the channel and leave your like to help us search for amazing new recipes for you. Don't forget to check out our ebook with over 30 amazing healthy recipes handmade by nutritionists. Thank you so much for watching Health in the Kitchen. Until tomorrow.